If you're struggling with your Latin sentences, and struggling in particular with the word order, I have a helpful hint that will be perfect for you. So I want to illustrate one way that may help you with a Latin word order. I have written one of the sentences on cards. Magister pueros malos sine mora vocabit. So there's one of the sentences. Magister pueros malos sine mora vocabit. And I want to illustrate that very, very often it's the verb, which is often at the end, just needs to be shifted to the second position in the sentence. And then you can see the teacher will call the boys, or bad boys, because it goes together, without delay. So there are a couple things I want you to get out of that video. Number one, the Latin word order is not as complicated as you might think. Once you put the verb into a more natural position in respect to the English language, everything will generally fall into place. Number two, you can write the vocabulary words on the bottom of those cards, or write it on the back to make it a little more difficult. But that way, when you look at the word and the sentence, you can test your vocabulary at the same time. And a little tip at the end, you don't have to use a full-size index card like I did. That makes it pretty unmanageable for a longer sentence. I used the full-size index card for the benefit of the video so you could see it. Cut those index cards in half. Or take a sheet of paper and cut it into 6 pieces. Whatever works for you. But I want you to really understand that once you put the verb, grab it usually from the end of the sentence, into a more natural English position, I think it will help you much in your translations. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.